Hey guys, Remote Pilot 101. We are here in Orlando, Florida. We're at Bill Frederick Park, and we are here to watch
drone racing. I'm getting some tips on how to beat Jason down here with the professionals.
Behind us, you can see they're all getting their drones ready. They've walked the course. I took a walk with them to see what course they were going to do today. They have an amateur and a professional course, so they are going to follow that course. This is just a practice
For a qualifier to take them to the national event. So
yeah,
we're probably watching some of the guys are going to be competing for a national championship.
Absolutely. It was supposed to be a qualifier. Due to COVID, they've had to postpone a little bit, so they're holding a practice today.
My name is Chris Bevan. My call sign is Black Ducks, and I'm a drone racer, FPV Drone Racing, and we're out here at Bill Frederick Park in Orlando. This is a multi-GP drone race hosted by the Orlando Rotor Racers. This actual area is called the FPV Oasis, and it's a dedicated park for anybody who wants to fly drones in Orlando to come out. It's a cheap couple bucks to get into the gate, and we have this nice area where we always have gates set up to fly. And well, today we're having our first race in months in person because of all the pandemic that's been going on.
And this is my new coach. He's going to be teaching me how to beat Jason.
My name is Ron Smith. I'm one of the owners of OAS Hobby. We are at Bill Frederick Park in Orlando, Florida, and this is something we dubbed the Drone Zone. So essentially we went to Orlando City and Bill Frederick and asked them for a safe environment where we can go out and conduct races, do STEM programs for kids in school that are into electronics and things like that. And so we were able to do that, and we set it up now for almost a year now. Yeah, we've had this place. So we set up a permanent track, and people come out here and fly safely and enjoy themselves.